Well, here goes. I just got the fucking iPhone 6. So this is the most exciting moment of my life until, next year. Come on, work with me. This big box for this little box. Actually, this is a big box because the iPhone 6 is bigger! Loves it. Oh my god. Look, it has a little iPhone on it. Imprint. Okay. This. Of course I have to make it all tighty tight. Can't they make it loosey goosey? Text on my old iPhone now. Okay, I need something. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. Okay. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so thin. Look at that. Holy shark balls. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh, it's such a beauty. Loves it. Space gray. Oh my goodness. Nothing? Come on. I guess I need to plug that shit on in first, huh? Oh my god, so exciting! It's so pretty. How do I look? Hello, yes, this is Maddie-licious. Oh, that's so funny. What did they say? Oh, nothing. I'm not really on the phone. I'm just trying to look cool. And of course, all the goodies. Always love getting a new cord and new headphones. Because I always lose at least one a year or so. Anyway. This is exciting. I'm going to plug this shit in and gonna get started.